Hello, my friends, all of my YouTube family. How are you doing today? I want to welcome you today to this broadcast. This is Anita Bryant of Anita Bryant TV. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, I'm going to give you an update on my Robinhood account. Lately, the market has been tanking just a little bit, but with my investments, I've still been able to ride it out in the green for the most part. I don't worry too much when everything gets in the red because I have good investments. I have good sound investments, so it doesn't worry me too much. I have one that I'm experimenting on a little bit of the penny stock, um, but it seems to be doing pretty good too. So I'm not too worried right now. I'm at 259.40, and I seem to have increased 0.18% after hours. That's after the market has closed. I'm up $1 since yesterday. 1 week ago, let's see what my stats are. 1 week ago, I'm up 1.83% from last week. That's $4.67. 1 month ago, I'm up 9.13%. That's $21.70. More than I had last month. 3 months ago, I'm up 747.99%. That is $228.81 more than I had 3 months ago. And that's really due to the fact that I've been marketing my Robinhood account more and getting free shares. 1 year ago, it's up 259.40, but I started this year in February, so that is why it is at 100% increase compared to a year ago. So I've only been in now since February, so that's a good thing. Okay, let me go on to the next part of my update. Okay, you can see here while Apple is doing pretty good. I was at around 188. Now I'm up 192. $192.18. Siri is up from $7 to $7.14. My Sprint is kind of holding on. I had got a new share from um, from a new referral to my Robinhood account. So I had got a reward of 1 share of Sprint. So what I did, I sold it and I bought me. Let's see what I bought. I bought a Bev and I bought 4 shares of Cool. And so far, those two are doing great. They are holding in great, especially through the few days that the market has been tanking. You can see here where Check, Signal, BOXL, Fit, Ford, and TZA. That's a pharmaceutical company. Excuse me. It's in the red, but I haven't lost very much because as you can see, even though it's in the red, I'm still up a dollar. So anybody that's new to trading or new to the Robinhood app, even though you're in the red, what really matters is your percentage overall. So as long as you're still increasing, then you're doing pretty good. And if you look at the let's say for example, I'm going to choose one random one. Let's see. We're going to choose one. I'm going to choose TZA. And I'm going to look at it. And I'm going to give you a reason why you should not worry if your particular stock is in the red. Okay, here it is. It's finally popped up. Okay, I've only lost 18 cents on this through the markets tanking. And the markets are tanking duly to quarterly reports and things that are going on in the government. I won't go into specifics on that. You can do your research on Yahoo and other different investment apps. You can check the investment news and get details on that. But, because I don't want this video to go too long, but I'm only, 18 cents. I'm not going to lose my mind. It's going to go back up. I mean, you'll have times when the market goes down and it'll go up, but with good, strong, solid companies, it won't be too much of a decrease. Now, I have Netflix on another brokerage. Netflix is, let's see, I have it on my watch list here. Let's see, Netflix is down like $20 from yesterday because it went as high as 380 sometime last night. I always like to check it like midnight. That's when I like to check my prices is at midnight. It's usually around that time when it peaks between midnight and 3 a.m. Um, I feel like Netflix is going to make a comeback. Netflix is not going anywhere anytime soon. It's just right now they're having a little bit of a little trouble shifting through the quarterly changes. All most companies have this little few bumps in the road with these quarterly reports. So try not to let it alarm you too much. Check out the income sheets. Check out the bottom line, their profits. You know, they had Disney to pull out on them, but I'm feeling confident that Netflix is going to make a comeback. So I'm going to hold on to my Netflix shares on my other um, account on the other brokerage that I have, you know, my Netflix account with. So I'm going to hold on to that. Um, my eBay, it went down $4. But see, I've had eBay for years. When I started investing in eBay was at $12, and I bought. Let's see, I bought right at 100 shares of eBay. So I made a pretty good profit over the years on eBay, and I'm looking for eBay to double, almost triple in value over the next couple of years. I really am. If Amazon doesn't take it over too much, but eBay is a very strong contender to Amazon. I feel it is. I mean, anybody that can triple their stock value within a few years is a strong contender for anybody. So when I started, it was like $12 and some cents, and now it's ranged from between 34, you know, well, it stays around 34, 30. I haven't seen it at $34 in a while, but it stays around 35 to $42 for that share. So I'm not worried about eBay. It's a strong company. You do not let that color send you into a shock alarm. Be patient with your investments. Now, my investment strategies are different from everyone. Um, Everyone has their own investment strategy. When you start investing in the stock market, and what you need to do is take in all the information you can, learn as much as you can when you first start, and then you get you like a test site where you can test it out, and then you when you start investing seriously for the beginners, start with a few dollars here, a few dollars there. You know, get the feedback of people who know what they're doing, and that's what I did. I kind of got the feedback of people who know what they're doing. I watch what they would invest in, and I look at different videos on YouTube, and I learn different things from the guys that I follow. Awesome investors. I mean, their viewpoints are really awesome. I even go back and double check and do research behind what they're saying about the companies, because you know some of the information might be a little outdated depending on when the the information is distributed. But again, you're investing. Start with a couple of dollars. Kind of get the feel of how the market rises and falls. It'll help you lose your fear, because you can't be skeptic about the stock market. Too many people have become rich through investing in the stock market and mutual funds and IRAs, and you know you just got to find your own way. It's your financial journey, and do not let fear stop you or block you from becoming great and from elevating to the next level financially. Because when you're investing, when you're making money in your sleep, that's when you become in control of your money. And then you can go on into real estate investing and all these different things. But invest your money in something. Don't just let your money sit and let somebody else use your money to get rich. Because that's what you're doing when you put it in the bank. When you put it in the bank, you're only gonna earn 1%. I'd rather put my money in on the stock market or in Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. I keep telling you guys about Bitcoin. Bitcoin was around 6K a couple weeks ago. Look at it now. If you follow me and you listen to me and you would have put your money in Bitcoin, 7,400. It says, well, it just jumped to $7,402.29, back up to 7,000. Excuse me, $7,404.04. Look, you could have made $100. You could have made two, three, maybe $400 just off that. Just off that. Stop listening to people who don't know what they're talking about. And I'm not super rich, but I know what I'm talking about. And I live off my own advice. I'm financially free. I don't have to ask anybody for anything. And I can tell you how good that feels. If something happens in my life, I got my back because I control my money. I don't let my money control me. And when you lose the fear and gain knowledge and wisdom of how to increase your money, then you become in control of your money. Okay, guys. But I could talk forever. I could talk forever. But for now, you can see that I'm doing pretty good. I haven't lost any money. And going off of my own wisdom and knowledge, I'm not doing too bad. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I did with my free stocks. I sold a couple, like I told you in a prior video, I sold a couple of shares of my free stock so I could invest in some stock that I really wanted. And that was Boxer, Fit, Ford, TZA, Abel, and Cool. And so far they've been doing me pretty good. They have been keeping me from losing a lot of money during this um unshakable time with the stock market concerning these quarterly reports and that are coming out for the companies and things that are going on with the government. You know, so far so good. My research on each of these businesses been going good. None of the businesses that I have investments in or in any takeover wars. They're pretty sound, stable, and I can depend and trust that they're gonna be around for a good while, long enough for me to earn a pretty penny. So, if I would have been skeptical back in the time when I invested in eBay, and it was only $12, don't despise humble beginnings. eBay was only $12 and some change when I invested. Bought it right at 100 shares and made me a nice little penny and bought me some more stock. Took some of the money, did something that I wanted to do. It affords you freedom. But always invest, invest, invest. Always make your money work while you're sleeping, and then you can kind of gain control over your finances. And another thing that I wanted to say, if you don't have the money to invest, listen. These apps have made it so easy for you to invest. You can start with zero. If you got $5 before you go buy that pizza, take $5, go on stockpile.com, buy you a couple of fractional shares. That's like you can get Apple for $5 on that particular um, platform. I mean, there's really no excuse. You can go to Stash Investment. You can invest there. Start with $5. And it has a referral plan. You can start zero really on stashinvestment.com. Now, but I will tell you this: Acorn, stay away from Acorn because Acorn, their app, it glitches. And what happened with me recently, Acorn went to deduct money out my bank account that I did not authorize them to do, and they wiped my account clean, the money that I had in Acorn. So I took a loss there. So do not deal with Acorn. I always test the apps out. If I hear anything bad about them, I'll let you guys know. But I know I've been dealing with Robinhood since February. I've been dealing with stockpile.com since January, and I never had any issue whatsoever. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at coachanitabryan.com, and I will email you my links to my Facebook pages and my Instagram and Twitters, and you can contact me in whichever way you choose. If you want to talk to me by phone, I'll email you my phone number, but only contact me if you're serious. I love helping people grow. I love helping people make money. Um, I will drop the link to my Robinhood account under this video. Feel free to click that link, download the app, and fill out the registration. Go through the approval process. It may take a few minutes, it may take a day. And after that, you can claim your free share. They'll give you a choice of three, and you can claim, excuse me, and you can claim your free share then. Um, And after that, please contact me. If you join through my link, I love to, you know, keep in contact with you. I have a group on Facebook, a Robinhood support and training group. Email me again. My email address is coachanitabryan@gmail.com. And you can email me there, and I will send you the link to my Facebook group. And okay, till then, I'll be happy to see you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this broadcast. I love you. Don't forget to hit the like button. If this video was of any value to you, hit this like button. Share this video with your family and friends. Spread the love of financial freedom. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification tab so you can stay alerted each time I drop a new video. And I am so happy to be able to deliver this knowledge to you guys daily. And I thank you all who keep up with my videos and who subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate you. Peace and love. God bless you all. Talk to you soon.